If your Cash App account has been frozen due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to unlock it and regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Open a Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for the best experience. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account settings option located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account information. Step 3. Contact Cash App support. Scroll down to find the Cash Support or Help option. Select it and choose the option to contact support. You may need to explain the situation regarding your frozen account. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SOC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request and verification, wait for Cash App support to respond. They will provide further instructions or confirm when your account is unlocked. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to access your Cash App account again. If issues persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.